outside her school. Get to her classroom, right? She's in there. She's got no idea that Daddy's home. And she looks like a flower. How does something that beautiful? How does that come from me? And she looks up and she sees me. I see her. In an instant, she's across that classroom floor. She's in my arms. Kids are all wailing, you know, they're screaming at me shit. I'm the worst of all. I'm a rubber-faced clown, you know. Cried so hard. Her favorite book was out on the pillows. My daddy's too tired, see? I'll read to you tomorrow night, I promise. You think that? For her, there was not gonna be any tomorrow.